Hey guys, it just stopped raining out today and I'm just out for a walk with Odie, and it's actually half decent out right now. It's about 6 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. You can look it up. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. Odie still hasn't gone to the washroom today. Well, he peed, but he didn't do his other business, so I'd like him to go at least once a day to be regular, so I'm hoping he's going to go now. The snow is starting to melt. I'll show you guys. So, see? Starting to melt away. And our temperatures have been in the plus instead of the minus the last little bit. So that's a good sign. So hopefully spring's going to come earlier. He's going really slow, so I think he's looking for a spot. So anyway, I'm just walking with him and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Something you guys haven't seen me do, I don't think. I'm playing my game, The Sims 4. I've been playing The Sims for years. My Sim is on a ride, horseback ride with her horse. I get to live out my having a horse dream through my Sim. So my Sim's name is Holly and my horse's name is Fancy. They're just enjoying a nice energetic ride through the town. But this is what I like to do in some of my spare time. When I'm not reading, playing with Kaylee. I have a craft to do, but I'm not going to be doing that while Kaylee's down tomorrow because that'll be too hard. She'll want to help, and no, I don't want her helping with this one. So I'll do that Sunday maybe. We'll see. This game has really pretty graphics. That looks like they're in, the city looks like it's based on Arizona or something. Look at the mountains in the background. I've never personally been to Arizona, but because this particular land in The Sims 4 has like deserty type places, and it has like lush places. Oh, it looks like they're riding home, because that's my Sim's house right there. There. Now the horse can go do whatever she wants to do. I have the camera to follow the horse. My walls are only half up right now. Oh, the horse is going in to get something to eat. My stable is attached to my house. It's just in the back for the horse to have. Let's see what the female, what Holly's doing. Where's she at? Huh? Oh, she's in the bathroom. Where's Cooper? See, my dog's name is Cooper. Where's the dad? Where's the dad? Huh. I hope he didn't die, because why is he grayed out? There's Cooper. Sometimes it's hard to find the Sims. That's why I don't like to play in two-story houses, because it's hard to find them. Okay, so if I double click on the horse. Do you guys see my dog? I got a little beagle. There's a nice fire going. There's their living room. And the kitchen. And the office, which I might have to turn into another bedroom if the family expands. And the stable. It's very windy here today. It's showing the dog over here, but I don't see the dog. But anyway, that is my Sims household, and that's what I'm doing this evening. No. My horse can't be in the living room. It came in through the sliding doors. No, that's a no-no. That's a no-no. A big no-no. I hear the dog barking and I can't find it. Okay. You go here. Let's go outside. Oh, wait. No, that's somebody just walking through my house. Go here. Well, make the dad go there too and see if he'll come home wherever he is. This is so weird. Where the heck are all my Sims? Okay, you're here, so call Cooper over so we can get him out. And I gotta call the horse over too while you're at it, because I gotta lock the doors for the horse so it can't get into the... There's the horse. Where's the dog? Oh, there's the dog. Okay, the dog's back. But where's her father? That's... Okay, lock this door. Lock for all horses. That one. And lock the front door in case it tries to come in through the front door too. Okay. But it can come in through this door. Jeez, that was weird. But I can't find her father. So, I don't know. I'll have to find him. I'm going to save my game now, though. Kaylee's down again, and I was going to wait till Easter, but we're going to give her this now. Let's see how she reacts. Where'd she go?
Gone to wait for her hands and face.
You got me it. I know that.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell Grampy thank you too.
Thank you, Brandy. Thank you for this.
There's Kaylee's unicorns that she did, the 3 of them. Do you want to tell everybody what their names are?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is Sunny.
That's Sunny.
And that one is
Star. Okay.
That one is Moon.
That's Moon. Good job. They're beautiful.
That much.
Hey guys, so those last few clips, the first clips that you watched in this video was from the last couple of days, just kicking it around the house. I'm going to end this one here so I can edit it to have it up for Wednesday for you guys. I just finished filming my video for tomorrow, so that's all done. I just took the makeup off my face. So, yeah, I put makeup on more for a little while, and then I took it off after I was done doing the video. So I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all on Friday. Bye, everyone.